How to add contacts on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Solution Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you the way on how you can add contacts on WhatsApp. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, make sure you have updated the WhatsApp app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in WhatsApp, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated WhatsApp, simply open it. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. In order to add a new contacts to WhatsApp, you have to add them to your phone's contact first of all. And in order to do that, from the bottom right corner, simply tap on this little chat icon which you see. As you tap on the chat icon at the very top, again you'll find another option which says new contact. Go ahead and then simply select new contact. So as you can see, it will open up your phone's menu over here, which will ask you to simply enter a name. So simply go ahead and then enter a particular name over here. And once you've done that, go ahead and click the save button by entering also their number. Once you do that, and once you add them and save them to your phone's contacts, you can come back to WhatsApp basically. So let me just go ahead and then open up WhatsApp. Now you can search for that particular contact over here. So let me just go ahead and search for that particular contact. Now if I just go ahead and then send them a message, you can see I've successfully added them as a contact on my WhatsApp app. Similarly, you can go ahead and repeat the same process by tapping on this chat icon, selecting new contact, or else you could also simply scan that contact via the QR code. And this is simply how you can add contacts on WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.